Hey friends, it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to bring you an overview of the Hello Bluebird brand new holiday 2023 release. These products are all releasing today, November 17th at 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, which is 9 p.m. Eastern if you're in my time zone. So I just thought I would share everything with you now that it has been revealed on the Hello Bluebird blog, and that way you guys can kind of make your shopping lists and get those all ready for release time this evening. So I'm going to set everything off to the side and we'll go through things one by one. This is a smaller release. It has 5 brand new stamp sets with their coordinating dies and 2 brand new die sets. And you know what? I think I'm actually going to start with the die sets today. I usually start with stamps, but I think I'm going to mix it up because my one of my card samples uses both of the die sets, so I just think that's going to make more sense. So the first standalone die set is this one here called Candy Cane Lane, and it features the candy cane, the really nice large candy cane. You have the outline, and then you also have the overlay with the stripes. There's a pine branch, a holly leaf, some different berries on the stem and off, and then also a nice large bow. And you can see that I use that on this card here. This is already up on my YouTube channel. This was day 5 of my holiday card series. So this features a lot of those dies and also a few other things, which we'll get into in just a minute. But yeah, you can make some really quick and easy cards with no coloring if you want. Even no stamping if you want, just depending. I did just a tiny bit of stamping using one of our brand new stamp sets, but like I said, we'll get into that in just a minute. So the other die set that is releasing is called Postage Frame, and this one is really unique. It actually die cuts 3 different parts, and I'll show you those now. Just grab those. I have them set off to the side. So it die cuts the outline separately, and then this is the inner part right there, and then it also die cuts a little flag banner. Really, really fun. And the interesting thing about this piece here is not only can you just trim it down a little bit and use it, you know, as a whole with all of the 9 different slots, but if you cut it apart on the lines, you end up with tiny little postage stamps. So you can use those in a strip of 2 or 3, or you can use them individually, which is what I did for this card. So I just cut them out individually and then stamped my sentiment on one and then a little image to match the card on the other. So really, really fun. I thought that was really unique and interesting, and just gives you lots of different things to play with, because you can use the frame on its own, you could use just the little stamps on its own, and you can definitely use that flag banner, which I have not used yet, but that is really easy to use on all kinds of different cards. So there is that. Next, we'll start in with some of the stamps, and the first one is going to be our brand new December post. And yes, I'm going to say this again like I always do, but I will be covering up parts of the images just because the counterfeits out there are so ruthless and evil. And yeah, I just wish that they weren't stealing designs from creators, but they are, and so I am going to cover up part of the images to just try to prevent that. I don't want to, you know, assist them in any way. But anyway, this is the December Post stamp set. So that is what I used to stamp out the sentiment here. There's a couple different sentiments, and then there's a whole bunch of different icons. Some of them have the solid images to go behind, so you can do the filling in with just your stamps and ink and not have to do any coloring at all, like I did on that card. But others, there are you know, just the outline images, some of these center ones, and so you can use your Copic markers or whatever coloring method you want to fill those in. So there is that, and then of course there are the matching dies. I've already repackaged all of the dies because they just come in a little bundle. So I've gone ahead and repackaged those already, got those all lined up on my magnetic sheet, and then my label at the top. So once this video is over, I will transfer all of my stamp sets into my stamp pockets. And I have a whole video on that on my YouTube channel, as well as I've mentioned it in my brand new craft room tour that just went up not that long ago. So if you missed either of those, you can check those out for more information. Next up is our brand new holiday littles that features all of these tiny little chubby, cute, super adorable images for the holidays. So we have a couple other of these littles stamp sets, and I adore them. I just think they're so fun. And now we've got a holiday edition, which is so, so cute. We've got some reindeer, some Santas, penguins, snowmen, a gingerbread man, Yeti, and then other little icons and a couple of sentiments. Super, super cute. I did use this tree image on one of my card samples, which I'll show you later on. And then there are the matching dies to go along with that. Next up, we have a really cute set for all of you fox lovers out there. This one is called Merry Friends. We've got a whole bunch of little foxes exchanging gifts or just bundled up in their winter gear. Very, very cute. I think this one would be also adorable to color as wolves or maybe even little dogs. I think it doesn't have to be foxes, but definitely foxes are super popular. I love them too. And I'm very excited to start coloring these in some different ways. You guys know I do have a favorite go-to Copic coloring combo for foxes that I use pretty much all the time, but because of this set, all of the girls on the Hello Bluebird team were kind of discussing our favorite Copic color combinations for foxes, and I've come up with a couple new ones. I tried one of them out on the other card sample that I'm going to show you, but I've got some more to try, so I might do a whole video on just coloring foxes, like a little mini tutorial. And there are the matching dies for the Merry Friends. Very cute, bunch of cute little sentiments on the side as well. That one's going to take you into winter as well. It doesn't have to be just Christmas. Next, we're moving on to one of the larger stamps. This one is called Christmas Eve. We've got this beautiful Santa. Isn't he so cute and jolly? I love him. And then we've got 4 adorable reindeer. I really love the way that they are drawn. So, so cute. We've got some snowflakes, a bunch of sentiments, an extra bow, a little star, and then there are the matching dies. I have not yet made a card sample with this one, but I'm very excited to, and I've stamped out a few ideas already. So these will be coming soon. I just haven't had a chance to work with them, but I'm very, very excited too. I really love that set. And then the last set is probably my favorite of the entire release. I just really, really love it. And that one is the Cup of Cheer. Another tall one. It's got these adorable critters with their little cups of coffee. And I just love their little expressions. Lots of sentiments in this one. Just so nice. And I do have a card sample for this one. This would have gone up earlier today. So we've got 4 different critters from this set that I stamped out. This bear is probably my favorite image of the whole release. I just adore him. I think he looks so cozy in his nice big scarf and his cozy sweater. So, so cute. My next favorite is probably the river otter. I just think he's so adorable. I love him so much. I love all of the critters in this set. I wish I could have used them all on this card. Maybe I'll have to do a slim line soon where I can get them all on there. But I love these two so much. But I love them all. I just think especially the river otter is something different. You don't see that in every stamp set with the different critters. So really, really fun. And here is where I used that little tree from the Holiday Littles just to have a little bit of scenery in the background and make the background look like it's further in the distance. But really, really cute stamp set. I really love it. I thought it was so much fun, and I'm very excited to play with this one again. And then there is the matching dies for that as well. So that is everything in this release. Like I said, it wasn't a super big one, but I definitely think there is plenty there to keep us busy for the coming months and take us from the holidays into the just the winter season. So very, very excited about that. So like I mentioned at the beginning, this release is going live tonight, November 17th at 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, which is 9 p.m. Eastern. And it will also coincide at the exact same time as our Black Friday sale. So all of the things except for the brand new release are going to be 25% off for the Black Friday sale. So you are not going to want to miss it. It is your chance to stock up on all the sets that you've been wanting from Hello Bluebird. Now, before I get a whole bunch of comments, I did ask if there was going to be a restock because quite a few things have been out of stock recently. And unfortunately, I did not hear back in time to put the information out in this video. So it is right now the day before the release as I'm filming this, and they are so busy with getting the website ready to go that I just didn't get a response yet. So unfortunately, I'm not sure about the restock, but definitely just go and visit the website as soon as that release goes live at 7 and fill up your cart with the new release items that you want, and then take a look around the rest of the shop and see what you can get, because 25% off is a really, really good deal, and that is including everything except for this brand new release. So definitely some great deals to be had for sure. So that is going to be it from me today. This is my third video of the day. I had this video go up this morning. I also had a Lawn Fawn video go up for Fawny Holiday Week on both my channel and the Lawn Fawn YouTube channel. And now this holiday release overview. So definitely a lot to watch today. I hope I didn't overwhelm you guys, but that's just the way the videos fell today. So hopefully you'll get a chance to check them all out. If not today, then hopefully this weekend. But I appreciate you guys so much. I appreciate all of the support and love and the lovely comments that you guys leave for me. You guys are what keeps me going and, you know, continuing to do this. So I just wanted to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. All right, I'm going to keep this short because I know you guys are probably wanting to write everything down and make your shopping list. So thank you so much. I hope you all have an amazing day, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye-bye.